7:30 a.m. Saturday, the 23rd of January, 2016. This is 1st Street and Bay Avenue in Ocean City, New Jersey. This is the first of 3 flood tides. It is high tide, and as you can see, we have a little bit of water in the street. It is over the curbs and up onto the sidewalks. But none of it's getting anywhere near into anyone's properties, anyone's house. The house across the street, if you compare the video to the one made during Sandy, the house on the corner has been completely rehabilitated and raised. And that was the high point at this intersection of the water during Sandy. And you can see the water is a little higher over there than it is here on our side of the street. But it is still pretty much just covering the sidewalks. It looks to me at that corner it might be 10 inches deep, maybe a foot. The wave action on the bay is fairly intense, but nothing like Sandy. And as you can see, it's wind driven. As the wind increases with gusts, the wave action increases. But it's nothing like Sandy. It's not doing the battering damage to all the dockage and woodwork over there that Sandy did. Other parts of Ocean City may have a different experience. This is actually one of the higher elevation parts of the city, and by higher I mean a foot or two higher than some of the other areas. The more low-lying areas are obviously going to have some more water, but they did say that this tide of the 3 flood tides will be the highest, so I think we're going to be okay.